can I use hashtags on LinkedIn? Yes, you can use hashtags. In fact, you can use it for a wide variety of content pieces. You can share hashtags whenever you are sharing like a text message or a picture or video or a document. And it's one of the best ways how you can get your content to be discovered by new people who have never heard of you, who are not connected to you, who are not connected to any of your followers or connections. So that's a great way to get organic discoverability on the LinkedIn platform. So all you have to do is to insert hashtags within the post description. You can add a lot of hashtags. I recommend to keep it like less than 3, because the reason is when you add more, the power of each hashtag dilutes, kind of like you have like a certain number of impressions that you might get for organic discoverability. But if you're using like 20 hashtags, it will be divided and you only get like 1/20th of the potential reach. So just pick the right hashtags, just limit yourself to 2 to 3, and you will get like 30% oomph whenever you are like sharing something. You can also use hashtags in your profile, like in your profile description or in one of your experience section. You can use hashtags within articles or within your company, or you can even link your company profile. If you have a LinkedIn page, link this to specific hashtags, and this will make it more likely that either you or your company page will show up in LinkedIn search results. Now, if you want to learn more about how to do LinkedIn marketing the right way, how to generate hot and warm leads for your business, then you should also check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program. I'm going to put the link down in the description and into the pinned comment below. Also, make sure that you smash the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I see you in the next one. Bye.